Hi everyone, welcome back to my online video classes. This is your Jessica ma'am once again with a new lesson from your English literature book. It's lesson number 2 and the lesson's name is The Friendly Mongoose. You all must be knowing this animal mongoose, which is a small animal and a great fighter who fights with snakes. So today's story is about a mongoose who became a pet of a farmer and how faithful he remained with the farmer family. So let's see what the lesson talks about. There lived a farmer and his wife with their son in a village. They loved their son very much. So one day this farmer tells to his wife that we must have a pet in our house because when our son grows up he will need a companion. So this pet would be our son's companion. So his wife liked his idea. So one evening when the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose, then the wife said, "Oh, it's a baby mongoose." "But soon it will be fully grown," said the farmer, "and he said he will be a friend to our son." Now both the baby and the mongoose grew together. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown up to its full size and became a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. But the farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle who always kept sleeping and crying alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. And she picked up her basket and said to her husband, "Hello, I am going off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him." And to be frank, I don't like to leave the child alone with this mongoose, she said. Then the farmer said, "You do not need to be afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal and it is as sweet as our baby and they are the best friends, you know." So the farmer's wife went away to the bazaar and the farmer, who had nothing to do, decided to go out and take a look at his fields, which were not very far. So while coming back, he ran into some friends and did not return home for quite some time. And here the farmer's wife finishes her shopping and she came back home with a basket full of groceries. As she came near the house, she saw the mongoose was sitting outside of her house as if he was waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as it was customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood!" she cried. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. She screamed hysterically and shouted, "You wicked animal! You have killed my baby!" Now she was blind with rage, and with all her strength, she brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. But the baby was fast asleep, and there she saw a black snake who was lying torn and bleeding. Within a flash, she realized what had happened. Then she ran out of the house looking for the mongoose. "Oh," she cried, "you saved my child. You killed the snake, and what I have done," she cried, touching the poor mongoose, who was lying dead and still, who was unaware of the sobbing of farmer's wife. She acted hastily and rashly and stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying inside the house. So wiping her tears, she went into the house to feed him. So, here the moral of the story is that we should not be that quick to make any conclusion without knowing the entire picture, like how the farmer's wife who killed the poor mongoose before knowing anything. Hope you all understood the lesson and enjoyed it too. So, see you all in our next lesson. Till then, do take care of yourself, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you.